Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Money Pincher. Today I'm going to teach you how to oh boy squirrel. Sorry about that. Let's get into the real purpose of today's video, which is turning digital dreams into reality. Today we're unlocking the secrets to making $500,000 with Faceless YouTube Automation in 2024. Whether you're new to YouTube or looking to scale your existing channel, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is Faceless YouTube Automation? It's a method of creating and managing YouTube content where you never appear on camera. Instead, you use automated tools and creative strategies to produce videos. This approach offers flexibility, privacy, and scalability. Why 2024, you ask? Advances in AI and video automation have made it easier to create high-quality content efficiently. With the surge in online content consumption, now is the perfect time to jump into the faceless YouTube game. First up, let's talk about setting up your channel. You'll need a niche that's profitable but not overly saturated. Think about topics that people are interested in but don't require a lot of personal involvement. This could be anything from tech reviews, top 10 lists, motivational content, to animated videos. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube search suggestions to identify popular topics. Next, understand your target audience. What are their interests and pain points? Conduct surveys, read comments, and check out competitors to get insights. Tailoring your content to meet your audience's needs will drive more views and engagement. Next, you'll need to create engaging content. This is where automation tools come in handy. You can use software like Canva, CapCut, or Runway AI to generate an image and software like InVideo to turn text into video. Add voiceovers and create professional-looking content without needing to film anything yourself. For scripts, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate engaging and relevant content. And don't worry, I'm going to leave the link to all these softwares in the description below. Content creation is all about quality and consistency. Even though you're not on camera, your videos need to be visually appealing and offer value to your viewers. Look at this video for example. I'm an AI talking dog. It doesn't get any more faceless than that. Make sure your videos are well edited and include clear, engaging visuals. When it comes to editing, tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro are great for adding finishing touches. Ensure your videos are polished, engaging, and consistent with your brand. Create eye-catching thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to design thumbnails that stand out and accurately represent your content. Optimization is key to getting your videos seen. Use keyword research tools to find the best keywords for your niche. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to boost your visibility on YouTube search. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Even though your channel is faceless, interaction helps build a loyal viewer base and keeps them coming back for more. To start earning, join the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the eligibility criteria. This allows you to monetize your videos through ads. Make sure to consistently upload quality content to grow your channel and add revenue. To make the most money, you need to focus on maximizing your revenue streams. This includes AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even selling your own digital products. Diversifying your income will help you reach that $500,000 goal faster. Affiliate marketing is a great way to boost your earnings. Partner with companies relevant to your niche and promote their products in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Finally, don't forget to analyze your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your views, engagement, and revenue. Understanding what works and what doesn't will help you refine your strategy and grow your channel. Regularly reviewing your analytics will show you which videos are performing best and where you can improve. This will help you make data-driven decisions and keep your channel on the path to success. Stay updated with YouTube's algorithm changes and new automation tools. Adapt your strategies to keep your channel relevant and successful. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to making $500,000 with faceless YouTube automation in 2024. Remember, consistency and quality are key. Keep refining your approach. Stay up to date with the latest trends, and you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.